When a drive fails, fast response is critical. Every hour of downtime means losses and pressure on maintenance teams. We help assess the situation quickly and get the equipment running again. This time, we're working on a Siemens Sinamics drive. Before we carry out any service work, we start with diagnostics. We check the power supply, connectors, control circuits, and electronic components. Then we move on to disassembly. We take the drive apart into modules, disconnect the connectors, remove the board, and gain access to components that cannot be properly assessed from the outside. This is an important stage because in industrial automation, the problem often isn't limited to one place. A damaged component may be caused by another issue: overheating, contamination, component wear, or a cooling system that isn't working properly. That's why we diagnose the device thoroughly so we can give you more hours of trouble-free operation. We check selected circuits, mark the components that need replacing, and gather the parts required for the repair. The next step is cleaning. Drives operating in production plants are exposed to dust, particulate matter, deposits, and elevated temperatures. These factors can affect cooling, conductivity, and the stability of the electronics. That's why we clean the sub-assemblies in ultrasonic cleaners. Finish them by hand, rinse, blow them through, and dry them in an industrial dryer. More sensitive electronics are cleaned separately, using an alcohol-based solution. We remove any remaining dirt and flux, preparing the boards for further service work. Only after this preparation is the device ready for the actual repair. During repairs, we use only new tested components because they determine the durability of the entire repair. We replace damaged and worn components. We solder in new parts, protect nearby components from excessive heat, and keep the solder pads clean. In this drive, we replace, among other things, electronic components and the fan. We also restore the thermal connections by applying new thermal compound in the areas responsible for heat dissipation. Once soldering is complete, we clean the boards again and then reassemble the device. The modules go back into place. We reconnect the connectors, install the board, tighten the mounting elements, and close the housing. After the repair, the device goes into testing. We check proper operation, operating stability, the cooling system, and the device's response under conditions close to real operating conditions. Only after passing these tests can the drive return to service. We provide a 24-month warranty on every device we repair. We support maintenance teams wherever production continuity matters.